Hi, good afternoon, all. This is Sugandhi from Pioneer. So, I'd like to welcome you all on behalf of Pioneer Business Solution. We are majorly into end-to-end learning solutions for across the globe on across the technology, and we do very specialized and well known in the market for all the clients and meeting their expectation according to their needs. And we do provide the services on open house, private batches, and public batches. And we do conduct many of the complimentary and free workshops and webinars as well. And this is our offerings: campus to corporate competency development training and project consulting. And project consulting, and we do provide solutions for soft skill behavior development programs as well. So we have a few major topics like design thinking, storytelling, and this is our major clients and the very happy clients, I can say. And we will meet their expectation. That's why this is all about us. And Jitu is a MCT Microsoft certified trainer, and he's having holding experience of 10 years plus, and he's major expertise in Azure DevOps, Linux, PowerShell, Red Hat, and Python. And he delivered many more projects, and he handled many more consulting projects as well. And
So let's start with AZ900 fundamental. Now, first of all, what exactly this AZ900 is? Now, what Microsoft does every time that whenever they releases a certification or a new technology, they will release several certification for one single technology. Like when you talk about Azure. So Azure is having tons of certifications right from the beginning, from the scratch, from the basic level till the advanced level, till the DevOps or developer level as well. AZ900 is one of the basic Microsoft Azure fundamental certification, which just tells you that what exactly Microsoft Azure is, what you can do with Azure. It is just to know this particular platform, we are using the AZ900. Next is cloud computing. So basically, so here cloud computing, you can see central data center for providing services. So there will be a centralized location where all the services you can either create or store or utilize in whatever way you want. And you have to pay for whatever you'll be utilizing. The best part of cloud technologies are the best part. You have to, like, there's a saying in cloud, pay as you go. Meaning, if you use it for 1 hour, pay only for 1 hour. You use it for one day, pay only for one day. You use for 30 minutes, pay only for 30 minutes. You're only paying as you go. So what you can do is you can use something called as Azure pricing calculator. It is a calculator which calculates whatever you want to use. See, right now, what is happening? Once you create the resource like a virtual machine, and then you use it for 30 days or 10 days or 1 year or 5 years, and then you pay for it. Okay. So even if you don't want it or it was less utilized, still you have to pay for it. What Azure calculator will do, you can just, like you can see here, it has compute, network, storage, web, mobile, container, database, analytics, AI, ML, IoT. So many options are available over here. So you can come to this particular calculator and then you can decide what all things you want to use over here. Like for example, I want to utilize virtual machine. Let's click on that. So you can see virtual machine added. Where it got added? In the bottom. Just hold on. And I want to use the storage over here. So storage also added. If I scroll down now, you can see virtual machine. This is the category which provides 2 vCPU and 8 GB RAM, and it is gonna be 730 hours, means for one day. Sorry, 1 month. Okay, 730 hours means 1 month, 30 days. Upfront cost is gonna be, you can see here, dollar 0 point so and so. Monthly overall, it is gonna cost me $152. Okay, we are Indians, so let's change the pricing category to INR, which makes more sense and easily understandable. Now you have to pay upfront cost, means initially you don't have to pay anything, but monthly cost is gonna be somewhere around 12,643 rupees. Okay, this is the monthly cost. Now please look here. I'm getting this cost for the default values over here. Now see, I work or my client works in India region only. So why to keep the virtual machine in United States? Let's go down and you can see here Central India, South India and West India. Let's say my client is in Bangalore only. So South India region I have selected. See, the amount is now increased to 14,000. Hold on. Operating system, which OS you want. So I want to go for the Linux operating system. Capacity is same, but by just changing the OS, check this out. From 14 directly drop down to 8,000 rupees. Type, there are so many OS types are there. You can use any of them. Okay. Tier, let's make it basic tier only. Check. If it is basic tier, okay, you can see the amount from 8,000 reduced to 967 monthly. But I want to go for standard. Okay, you can see here 1,000 rupees. Now 1,000 rupees for one VM for 30 hours. Sorry, 30 days. Here I'll make it days. 31 days. Okay. Now, obviously, we are not going to work for the entire 31 days only. Holidays and include everything. So I'll calculate, okay, actually working will be 20 days here for me. So now you can check. Now you can check here. Now it reduced down to 715 per month. We do shopping more than that. Okay. And this is not the only case. Believe me. If I scroll down, see, this is pay as you go. If I go for 1 year savings plan, you can see here right now, it is 715 rupees. If I commit that, I'm gonna stick to this virtual machine for 1 year, click on it. Why it's not taking? Okay, it's not. Compute A0 yearly is not okay. Okay, for this A0, it is not there. I need to change it to A1. Okay, which is 2,000 rupees. That's fine. We are just testing that. I'll click on what happened. A1 is also not there. Let's. So I've taken some random configuration that says 16 core and 64 GB, means one single virtual machine I will be getting. One virtual machine I will be getting, which will be having 16 core and 64 GB RAM. So it is a type of server only now. Okay, it is a big server now. So you can see in 1 year savings plan, you can save up to 21%. So right now it is 37 rupees. Let me copy this. Okay, the standard here is 37,000 rupees. When I go for 1 year plan, you can see it goes to 45. Oh, it increased that. Now see here, it is going for monthly. Okay, it has increased. Let's wait for it. Then let's make it 3 years. Directly drop down to 30 years like this. 30,000. Okay, so this is the savings plan. If I actually go for 1 year reserved, it is 33. And if I go for 3 year reserved, exactly 21,000. So what I was getting in the beginning over here, now it reduced down to 21,000 rupees over here. Sorry. So these kind of configurations you can check over here. Okay. So here basically it will help you out in calculating what exactly you want. I've taken all random data, but you have to think and then plan accordingly.